On YouTube. I'm not using my GoPro right now. I'm just being lazy, my bad. I'm using my tablet. Well, I just got a part in the mail for the Civic. It's a Coldair intake. I got it on eBay. I want to say it was $25 or $26 out the door. It took about 4 days to get here. I think it came from like Industry, California. So I mean, it's not carb legal, but I can use it for like days when it's not raining. See if we can get horsepower gains or anything if it runs better. I actually have a AEM on there, carb legal right now. So yeah, I didn't know that when I was talking to the guy before I bought the car. He didn't tell me it had any. He told me it was completely stock. So me stock means stock, but I had intake and headers and stuff, like little stuff. Nothing special, but you know, bolt-ons basic. But I'm gonna unbox this to see what it's looking like. My bad if the camera's shaking or it's not the greatest view. I don't want to use my tripod right now. I'm just being lazy real quick. The box is pretty much kind of open like how it is right now. This is how it came. It came from FedEx. I didn't do no ripping at it or nothing. It was pretty much open how it is right now. I mean, I'm just gonna grab it out of here. I think it'll come out. It's kind of stuck in here. Let me see. I got this little toenail clipper box cutter thing. I don't feel like going to my car to grab tools in the rain, but let's see. Let's see here. Let's see what it all comes with. Grab that out. Ooh, this is nice. I ended up getting the blue color. What else is in here? The filter and some connectors and the hose. Let's see. Hold on, man. Sorry for all this moving around. I'm trying to do all this stuff in one hand here. I'm not used to it. Dang, this thing is hard to get out. Alright. Let's put it down so we can look at it. Move this box out the way. Move it out the way. It's pretty nice. Long. It's a Coldair. It's blue. It's a dark blue. I like it. Let's see what else it came with. Came with the coupler, the hose that goes, I think I want to say, to the valve cover, and some rubber bushings and hose clamps, maybe to mount it to the frame so it doesn't jump around. And came with the installation guide. That's cool. And I want to say this is the filter in this separate box right here. Let me just take it out real quick off camera. This box feels real soft. Like, I don't know if it was raining today or what. Like, I met him right at my gate. He barely even took it out the truck right when I was leaving to go get my son from school, the FedEx thing. So, and here's the filter. Let's take it out the plastic so we can look at it. We're gonna look at it. I'm probably gonna throw this filter on the AEM for now just because the one on is dirty, even though I washed it. It's cool. It's nice. Feels good. It's hard metal. It doesn't feel cheap or nothing. You know, hear it? Metal. That's cool. So that's all what it came with. And an installation manual, which is not bad. Even though I don't need it, but yeah, some people might. You know, it has a little scratch on it. You know, right here. It's a little scratch. You know, but that's about it. So that's it for the unboxing. Like my video, subscribe, keep on watching, and keep on doing what you do. Peace out.